Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. Today, we're going to be talking about a business account, a business trade line, a business credit card that can help you build your business scores instantly without running to net 30s like Uline, Granger, Shursty, and those kind of accounts, right? And 2026 is less than a month away, and we should be doing things a little bit different if you want to build your business credit scores, right? So for instance, let's just take advantage of one bank that we're going to be talking about today is Bank of America, a very great bank. And as you see right here, this is the Business Advantage credit card with a very high limit, as you see right here, with a $40,000 limit on it, right? There's plenty other banks out there. I've did videos in the past where you could grow and you could go to and build a strong relationship with. Now, if you're looking for a strong trade line, if you're looking for a great credit card to start building those business credit scores, Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet, Bank of America is the great step that you should be doing in 2026, right? You should have been doing that since 2025, since we're in 2025, but since 2026 is right around the corner, I'm trying to get everybody a head start to get ready. I need everybody to lock in and start being focused when it comes to these different accounts to start building your business profile. Because a lot of times people will definitely start working on the personal side, build a personal credit report pretty decent, and then they'll start working on their business side but don't know where to go. They go to the usual things like I told you, Uline, Granger, Shursty, and all these different net 30 accounts. That's okay to add on, but we want to skip the line, people. That's the problem. Let's start jumping the line so we can start moving this process ahead, right? So with this card that we're going to be talking about is the Bank of America secured card. Now, this secured card has a lot of benefits, but before I go any further, let's go over to the account. Let's go over to the application so you can get an idea about it. So we're here at the Bank of America website, and this is the card right here, the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Reward Master Secured Credit Card. Now, this secure card can absolutely change your life. No annual fees. You're going to get 1.5% cash back and everything. Now, the only catch to this, I would have to say that you have to deposit a little as $1,000 if you want to even move forward getting this credit card. You can't come to the table with $200, $500. You gotta deposit at least $1,000, which is really good. Now, the good thing, if you have some money saved, if you have some money a little tucked away, this is where you could really increase your business credit scores. Because let's say you got 5,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 laying around. You can use that $10,000 to deposit right onto the secure card to increase the chances of your business credit scores really going up. And the great part about it, this reports to the Small Business Financial Exchange, which Experian Business, Equifax Business, Dun & Bradstreet go to when they need data and information on you, which is really good. So again, you might be asking, what kind of credit score do you need to even possibly get approved for this credit card? Now, you need to have as little as a 620 credit score, which is on the low end. You know, in my book, everybody out there should have at least a 620 on the low end. Now, they will be looking at your experience, so hopefully you don't have a lock or a freeze on your Experian credit report. So when they do this, will not be no pre-qualification, no pre-approval. This is a hard pull, so please don't have any kind of collection, any kind of charge-offs, any kind of late payments, and please don't have your utilization over 30% because that's going to lower your risk of any kind of approval. Again, if you want to skip the line of all these, net 30s accounts, some of these gas cards that's net 30s, go ahead, lock in with Bank of America. Now, to get this, you should out the gate get a business checking account. Go ahead and build that relationship with Bank of America for at least 30 days. Go ahead and do some deposits, and after the 30 days, go ahead and apply for the secure card. Go ahead, put that deposit in, and it's going to report to the business credit, and it's going to start establishing credit on the business side. A lot of times people are going after these net 30s. They're not reporting 2-3 months later. I even had somebody tell me some of these net 30s are taking 4 months to even report. A lot of these net 30s is changing their policy. So at one time, let's just say Uline, when I was building my credit years ago on the business side, I could have went to Uline and bought something for $20 and they would have reported to the business credit bureau, but it don't work that way today in 2025. They want you to spend a certain amount of money before they report it to the credit bureau. So this is just something that I want you to keep in mind. I know a lot of people out there is looking for business funding. They want to move the process really fast, but you got to do it the right way. You got to do it the proper way. And again, if you want to build your personal, because maybe your personal is not in the right order, you could go over to my website at whoiskingshawn.com. Go ahead and download your free ebook and start working on your personal credit. If you want to start building your business credit, I got a free ebook on my website again to build your credit the proper way and the right way. Stop skipping lines. You could go ahead and download that. It will be in the description right below this video. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top. Again, at that point, once you get that secure card and you start building that business relationship with Bank of America, then you could go ahead and apply for that business advantage card and go get that high limit. Like I said, this card is sitting around $40,000. Bank of America is really known for giving high limit credit cards on the business side, long as you are building that relationship. Again, a lot of people are trying to skip the lines. They're not trying to follow the right step to really build that business credit. So go ahead, open up a business checking account, make some deposits in there, and after 30 days, go ahead and apply for the secured card and go ahead and make that deposit and start building a strong relationship. In 2026, you gotta start building relationship with some of these banks. If you're just gonna think that you're gonna go out there and you're gonna get any kind of business funding, business credit cards, business lines of credit, any kind of, if you just looking for any kind of funding on the business side, you gotta build a relationship with some of these banks. You can't just wake up today and say, I have an LLC, I have a C Corp, I have an S Corp, I want to apply for some funding and they're going to start approving you. That's not how that's going to work. So, I give you the steps because I want to see everybody win. If you want to lock in a one-on-one with me, we could sit down on the phone and I could guide you and help you step by step how to build that business side the proper way. But again, the free ebook is on my website because I want to see everybody win. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.